On today's menu is a Southern style stuffed shrimp, and it is going to blow your family and or dinner guests' minds. For this recipe, you need big shrimp because we're gonna butterfly them. So you're looking for a shrimp count from 16 to 20, which means that there's gonna be 16 to 20 shrimp per pound. So I'm gonna show you the quickest and easiest way to peel and devein shrimp. What you wanna do is you wanna lay this little guy flat, and we're gonna run this paring knife right across the leg side. You can peel away that shell, and now we're gonna turn it the other way. Just run your paring knife again, just barely cutting into it, and then you can see that there's all this gross stuff happening in here, and you just want to peel that away. You might have to use your hands. If you have a sink handy, you can just run it underneath some cool running water, and that'll take care of it for the most part. Ugh. Not gonna lie to you, that part is zero fun, but as soon as it's over, you get to move on to the good stuff. We're gonna butterfly that shrimp. Before we butterfly the shrimp though, you wanna go ahead and have your pan ready, a large rimmed baking sheet lined with aluminum foil. So here is how your shrimp will naturally curve. What we wanna do is lay it down flat this way. You're gonna take your paring knife and you're just gonna start really gently making some cuts, one consistent cut, just until it's deep enough to where you can lay that shrimp flat. Because when it bakes up, it's gonna look just like this, and this is where the stuffing's gonna go. And now we're just gonna repeat with the rest of the shrimp, 1 whole pound. So this is a kitchen sink kind of crab stuffing, and it is loaded, like positively loaded with flavor. You're gonna start by adding 8 ounces of jumbo lump crab meat to a medium-sized mixing bowl. Next, you'll add 1/3 cup of grated Parmesan, 1/3 cup of plain breadcrumbs, 1/3 cup of mayonnaise, 1/3 cup of green onions sliced, 1 large egg slightly beaten, 2 tablespoons of diced pimentos drained, 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley, 1 teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning, a 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and the zest and juice of 1/2 lemon. Just come in with a fork and mix it up nice and gentle. All that's left is to get the crab stuffing onto the shrimp. 1 little spoonful going down. Stuffing is down. Now we're gonna mold it and we're gonna bring those tails up a little bit. Okay, now in all honesty, I would be a lot happier if I had remembered to season and oil my shrimp before I stuffed them, but just in case you forget to, here's a little fix. I'm gonna come in with some cooking spray. This is avocado oil. You could totally use olive oil or canola oil. Either would be great. And I'm just gonna give these a little spritz and a little sprinkle over the top with kosher salt and black pepper. Now these beauties are gonna go into the oven at 400 degrees for about 15 to 18 minutes, just until that shrimp is totally cooked through. It should be looking pink and 100% opaque. So as you can see, the shrimp are pink. There's no translucency about them. And as soon as they're cooled, you can dig right in. If you're looking for more awesome restaurant quality dinners, be sure to check out my takeout recipes playlist next.